Good afternoon. This is Sid Kapon reporting news from around the world. The volcano Mauna Loa in Hawaii used to be thought as the largest volcano in the world, but scientists have discovered one that's bigger and it's underwater. Tamu Massif is a massive volcano about the size of the British Isles. It covers more than 260,000 square kilometers, while Mauna Loa is about 5,100 square kilometers. It is in the Pacific Ocean, about 1,600 kilometers east of Japan. It is made of basalt, a type of volcanic rock. The volcano was discovered by scientists working at the University of Houston. They have been studying it for years, but only recently confirmed that it is one huge volcano rather than many smaller ones. Scientists say Tamu Massif is probably about 145 million years old. It is inactive, so it no longer erupts or spills lava. Until next time, I am Sid Kapon reporting news from around the world.